Okay, let's do an unboxing. I just got this from DHL, ordered it from Amazon Germany just a couple days ago. Actually, I should say a few days ago. There was a weekend in there that extended the delivery time, but delivery was quick. There's one item. Oh, I got one item peeking out right here. Hope we didn't lose anything. Got some Knipex, some Bahco, some INBUS. I didn't realize Felo. I didn't realize the INBUS stuff all came in bags. Some Facom, and oh yeah, this one is. Wow, all the INBUS items and then one Hazet bit. Okay, definitely have variety. This is just a, what size was this? This was a size I didn't have. So this is a T45. I had a up to a T40, but I needed a T45 for a landscaping lag screw, and I had to use a T40 very, very gently. So now I've got the T45, so I can do those types of things correctly. Let's start with the INBUS 2.5-345, made in Germany. And this is the, okay, so this lever is only on one side, it's not on both sides. Folds down. And if you need to get at that, okay, that's interesting. All right, then we got this. This is another roll gear style ratchet that has the long extension on it. The Hazet, of course, has the shorter, kind of the bit chuck, and then this is optional. So you get a little more play in it, and it gets a little bulky, but I don't know. I didn't really have any fantastic reasons for getting this other than tool collecting, basically. So it's very similar. I'm sure it's made in the same factory. So that hole does go all the way through. So these bits, you can see how similar those are. So the INBUS bits, these don't seem to be marked with any. The bits themselves don't have any. Oh, we got some, wait. We got some laser etching here. So size 2, does this Torx? Okay, so they've got the size laser etched on there. Okay. There are all the sizes. Pretty typical stuff. This one definitely slides open and closed easier than the Hazet does. Hazet is got a little more resistance. This one that's interesting. I like that. And this is my very first Facom screwdriver. Take that off. Facom. It's interesting. It's a different style. Ergonomics aren't too bad. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Yes, this is made in France. Then I wanted to get one of these great big striking cap screwdrivers. I wanted to get a Felo version of this because I find myself actually reaching for this screwdriver a lot more than I thought I would. Felo handle that I like better than the Vera, and this one is just a little bit bigger than that one. Okay. Then I got just a basic, I basically use these for pulling out nails and stuff, and it wasn't very expensive. So I got one of these. Before I get to that, let me just cover this. So I've got the PB Swiss, one of these, which I really, really like. And, you know, the machining and everything is better on the PB Swiss, but the PB Swiss doesn't have this here on the end. Let's put a bit in here. Okay, that's a good magnet in there. Okay. Yeah, that's about the kind of fit I would expect. It's good. It's not horrible. It's got the rubber overmold, the hard plastic. It's got a through hole. I don't know if this metal actually meets in here and is one piece. Let's see if this is one piece of metal all the way through. It is. Wow. So this metal is connected all the way through. It's not just a little insert here and an insert here. It's one piece. Okay, that's good. And then I got the Bahco scraper. I don't have any scraper like this, so this is really nice. It's actually light in spite of the fact that there's all this metal here. This is great. Good. My dad is a retired cabinet maker, and we always had several of these for scraping glue joints off of glue ups. And I don't do glue ups, so I don't have a scraper, and I needed one for something a while back, and I started looking at the Bahco one, and I thought, hey, that looks like the way to go. So I got that. And then I got in on the Knipex, the new little guys. This isn't the little one. These are the 125s, and they make them even smaller than this. I think it's 100s, the XS, which don't even come with any kind of an overmold on the handles. So I thought, I think this is going to be plenty small and compact. I don't know if I would want to go any smaller than this. But those are the cute little 125s. Came in this set with the carrying case. And the price was, I thought the price was pretty good, because right now, $1 US is €1. Right now it's 1-to-1 exchange rate. And that's pretty amazing. So Amazon DE, some of this stuff gets to be a pretty good deal in the US, even with shipping. because of the exchange rate right now. So today is August 29th, 2022, and this is my latest Amazon Germany tool haul. Just a quick unboxing. DHL just delivered this. I just wanted to get this video out quick. All the affiliate links will be in the description. Okay, thanks for watching.